Hi everyone, welcome to the Chic and Elegant Home Decor YouTube channel. Do you think your kitchen is outdated, but you don't want to waste time and money on replacing your kitchen? I have great news. There are a few easy tricks to transform your kitchen, and I'm happy to show you in this video. You'll turn it into a cozy, elegant, and functional space. A place you love to be. My favorite trick is starting with the windows. Curtains are the easiest and most affordable way to completely change the mood. You can turn your kitchen, normally just a place for cooking, into a cozy corner where you love to sit with a cup of tea, read a book, or enjoy family meals. I'd recommend removing heavy curtains and adding light, flowing fabrics to let natural light in. Or, if you want maximum coziness, add floor-length curtains in soft, neutral tones. When choosing color, base it on your kitchen. If your cabinets are light, go for soft beige, cream, or blush tones. If your cabinets are colorful, choose calm, neutral curtains to balance the space. A sheer panel, slightly lighter than the main curtain, adds airiness and light diffusion. Next, update your cabinet handles and knobs. My favorite trick, it's such a simple change, but makes the kitchen feel brand new. I'd recommend matte black, brass, bronze, or natural wood finishes. They add style and character instantly. This is one of my favorite tricks for visual harmony. Swap mismatched jars and containers for identical ones. Even simple cups and bowls look designer level when shapes and colors match. I'd recommend keeping only what brings you joy visible. Favorite mugs, glass jars, a recipe book. Hide the rest. Your eyes will rest, and the kitchen instantly feels calmer and more elegant. And that's just the beginning. On the Chic and Elegant Home Decor channel, I share all my secrets for turning your home into a beautiful, functional, and cozy space. Don't forget to hit the bell and like this video. My favorite trick, a hidden dish drying rack inside a cabinet. It keeps your counters clear and the kitchen visually calm. I'd recommend removing anything extra from your counters, pots, bowls, and keeping only items that bring you aesthetic pleasure. A beautiful teapot, a small vase, that's all you need to make it feel elegant. Even on a small budget, under-cabinet LED strips work wonders. My favorite trick, warm, diffused light over the counter. It makes the space feel larger and more expensive. Perfect for cozy evenings when you want to make tea and relax. Textiles bring soul to your kitchen. A small jute mat by the sink, fresh linen towels, or a cushion on a bench instantly livens up the space. I'd recommend natural fabrics like linen, cotton, or jute. They add warmth and comfort. Decorate selectively, like a corner by the coffee maker or near the sink. A small tray with a cup, jar, and wooden spoon adds life without clutter. This simple trick makes your kitchen feel thoughtfully designed. One of my favorite tricks: your kitchen should feel alive, not just functional. Place a small plant in a pot, light a scented candle, or play soft music. It creates a warm, inviting atmosphere where you actually want to sit with a cup of tea. One of the simplest and cheapest ways to add style: decorative mats for your teapot, bottles, or bread. They organize your counters, protect surfaces, and complete the visual composition. My favorite trick for a designer look: choose 1 to 2 linking colors. Use them in small details around your appliances, trays, jars, towels, or cups. Even if your appliances are different colors, these repeated accents create harmony and a polished feel. With these simple tricks, your kitchen becomes a space where you want to cook, relax, and enjoy life. Every small detail adds warmth, style, and joy. Which trick will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd be glad to receive your like and subscription as we regularly release interesting videos.